Double R produced
Ma. I spent yesterday and I'm coming again. Bitch, Ma. I spent yesterday and I'm coming again. I'm tryna step on your man. Keep on fucking around, bet your life get ended. No GTA, but I stay on a mission. I'm in the kitchen, not washing the dishes. Popping these pills, I got an addiction. And I'ma admit it, I'm not tryna quit it. G in my DNA, bitch, I'm a gangster. Rappers be claiming they bangin'. I'm down low cocaine when I'm slangin'. I play with that rock, but I ain't Will Chamberlain. Good day in the hood, I'm helping my ass. I learned how to count off, chopping and bagging. Make me a beat, I get on it and smash. Bitch wasn't worth it, I fuck it and pass. Think shit a joke, I'ma burn them like ass. I can finesse and I sell bags. You try flex, get your bitch ass bag. Think I'm a joke, get your dumb ass tag. Black K&K, we the killer nigga clan. Still a zip out the P, we gon' chop off your hand. None of you rap niggas real as I am. Got the drop it, we spent in the G30 cent. I'm wishing that shit could be great without problems. Hit him with the Drake, I bet he be hollering. You ain't around me, you don't show me you solid. Had to show and fuck a bitch out of college. I'm the rapper, other rappers acknowledge. Overkill him, make him call out the sergeant. Bruh locked up, fight murders and robberies. I got him for sure, ain't no bullshit stopping me. I throw you on free if you copping about 2 or 3. I just made 20K, I did it easily. This for the people who didn't believe in me. I make mama proud, getting different achievements. I got all this money from jugging and streaming. I kill a whole team, leave his bitch ass team. My ops tryna team up, I'm tryna leave. Give him one to the chest, cause I don't want him breathe. I'm on the block, yeah, I'm on the deep end. I'm with some D-boys, we get that shit in. Roll up the Zod and go up on the blend. Bitch come to my house, she ain't bringing her friend. cause she know it's time to fuck. In the 2019 when a nigga